In this video, we'll be showing you how to keep your design projects organized with multi-sheet design structures. There are two approaches to structuring a multi-sheet design, flat or hierarchical. Both of these structures can be understood in the context of a parent-child relationship. Top-level documents in your project will house child sub-documents, creating an organized project structure. In a flat design structure, the schematic sheets are all on the same level, with no sheet symbols referencing further sheets below. Let's set up a simple flat design structure. First, we'll navigate to the Home tab and then select Port. Before placing the port, press Tab to open up the port properties. From here, we'll change the name and the I/O type. With the properties defined, let's now place the output port on one schematic and then place another port with the same method on another schematic, this time using input as the type. With this method, both ports will be linked together between both schematic documents, providing a quick connectivity link between both nets. While a flat design is acceptable for designs with a small number of sheets, it will become unmanageable as your designs grow larger in complexity. This is where hierarchical multi-sheet design becomes useful. In a hierarchical design structure, parent and child elements can be connected, providing an easy-to-manage structure for even the most complex projects. Connectivity is predictable and easily traced in a hierarchical design, since the relationship between parent and child sheets is always logically structured in a top-down fashion. Let's go ahead and create a hierarchical structure now. To do this, we'll select the sheet symbols under the Home tab. Before placing the sheet symbol, press Tab to open the sheet symbol properties window. In the properties window, we'll change the designator and select the file to be linked. Next, we'll need to add a sheet entry. Select Sheet Entry under the Home tab and press Tab before placing to change the name and I/O type. You'll notice that in the project panel, our schematics have not yet adopted a hierarchical structure. This can be easily fixed by selecting Project, Compile under the Home tab. Once compiled, our hierarchical structure will take shape.